now that we have the patches sewn, we're going to tear off the backing paper, and this is how we tear it off. You have to carefully tear it off. So if you tear it off too hard, the backing paper, well, the fabric could rip if you do it too hard, or the sewing can just come off, and we do not want that to happen. Now, here we got a piece of backing paper that we're going to be using to make the patches. So you can just, when you have a patch, you can tear it off and just iron it on. And it'll be as easy as that. Now, here we have one of the patches done. And you can put it on whatever you want. You can put it on a jacket, a backpack, a sweater, a beanie, or whatever you'd like. And, yep. Here's the adhesive. And here's the drawing. And this is how you make patches to put on whatever you'd like. This is Celeste from Celeste's Creations. Oh, and this is going to be in my Etsy shop pretty soon. So, bye!